Hello everybody, welcome to MBBS Help. In this video, I am going to discuss Biochemistry NEET PG 2018 question and answer with explanation. So the first question is, serotonin is also known as, and options are A. 5-hydroxytryptamine, B. N-methylphenylamine, C. 3-methoxytyramine, and D. phenethylamine. Here answer is A. Serotonin or 5-hydroxytryptamine, it is a monoamine neurotransmitter. Now the second question is, tyrosinosis is caused due to deficiency of which enzyme? And options are A. Fumarate acetoacetate hydrolase, B. p-hydroxyphenylpyruvate dehydrogenase, C. Tyrosine transaminase, and D. Tyrosine ligase. Here answer is A. Fumarate acetoacetate hydrolase. Tyrosinemia, also known as hepatorenal tyrosinemia or tyrosinosis. It is the most severe form of tyrosinemia, a buildup of too much of the amino acid tyrosine in the blood and tissue due to an inability to metabolize it. It is caused by a deficiency of the enzyme fumarate acetoacetate hydrolase. Fumarate acetoacetate hydrolase catalyzes the final step in the degradation of tyrosine. Now the third question is, Lesch-Nyhan syndrome is caused by deficiency of which enzyme? And options are A. Orotate phosphoribosyltransferase transferase, B. Uracil phosphoribosyltransferase transferase, C. Quinolinate phosphoribosyltransferase transferase, D. Hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyltransferase transferase. Here the correct answer is D. Hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyltransferase transferase. Lesch-Nyhan syndrome, also known as juvenile gout, is a rare inherited disorder caused by a deficiency of the enzyme hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyltransferase transferase, produced by mutation in the HPRT gene located on the 10th chromosome. Now the fourth question is, fish order syndrome is caused by deficiency of which enzyme? And options are A. Fumarate acetoacetate hydrolase, B. Methane monooxygenase, C. Monooxygenase 3, and D. D-amino acid oxidase. Here the correct answer is C. Monooxygenase 3. Fish order syndrome is a rare metabolic disorder that causes a defect in the normal production of an enzyme named flavin-containing monooxygenase 3. When monooxygenase 3 is not working correctly, or if not enough enzyme is produced, the body loses the ability to properly convert trimethylamine from precursor compound in food digestion into trimethylamine oxide through a process called N-oxidation. Trimethylamine then builds up and is released in the person's sweat, urine, and breath, giving off a strong fishy odor or strong body odor. Now the fifth question is, Galactosemia is due to deficiency of which enzymes? And options are A. Galactose 1-phosphate uridyl transferase, B. HGPRT, C. Galactokinase, and D. Epimerase. Here the correct answer is A. Galactose 1-phosphate uridyl transferase. Galactosemia is a rare genetic metabolic disorder that affects an individual's ability to metabolize the sugar galactose properly. Galactosemia follows an autosomal recessive mode of inheritance that confirms a deficiency in an enzyme responsible for adequate galactose degradation. Now the sixth question is, which of the following is most abundant end product of fatty acid synthesis? And options are A. Oleic acid, B. Palmitic acid, C. Arachidonic acid, and D. Glucose. Here the correct answer is B. Palmitic acid. Fatty acids are synthesized by extramitochondrial system. This system is present in many tissues including liver, kidney, brain, lung, mammary gland, and adipose tissues. Acetyl coenzyme A is immediate substrate. The end products of this synthesis are usually the saturated fatty acid palmitate. Now the seventh question is about DNA polymerase 1. Which one is correct? And options are A. Not required in bacteria, B. repair any damage with DNA, C. involved in Okazaki fragment, and D. participate in DNA replication. Here the correct answer is A. Not required in bacteria. DNA polymerase 1 participates in the DNA replication of prokaryotes. Function of polymerase 1 is mainly to repair any damage with DNA, but it also serves to connect Okazaki fragments, deleting RNA primers and replacing the strand with DNA. Now the 8th question is, what does chaperones assist in? And options are A. protein cleavage, B. protein folding, C. protein degradation, and D. protein modification. Here the correct answer is B. protein folding. Folding of protein in vivo is promoted by chaperones. Now the 9th question is, fishy odor occurs due to deficiency of this vitamin from diet. And options are A. biotin, B. thiamine, C. riboflavin, and D. vitamin A. Here the correct answer is riboflavin. Vitamin B2 or riboflavin deficiency can bring about a fishy odor in the body. Now the 10th question is, vanillyl mandelic acid is excreted in urine in which condition? And options are A. alkaptonuria, B. phenylketonuria, C. pheochromocytoma, and D. diabetic ketoacidosis. Here the correct answer is C. pheochromocytoma. VMA is the end product of catabolism of catecholamines. In pheochromocytoma and neuroblastoma, there is excessive synthesis of catecholamines which causes enhanced synthesis of VMA and its excretion in the urine. VMA is the urinary product of both epinephrine and norepinephrine. Now the 11th question is, all of the following are excreted in cystinuria except, and options are A. cysteine, B. cysteine, C. arginine, D. ornithine. Here the correct answer is B. cysteine. Cystinuria is an inherited autosomal recessive disease that is characterized by high concentrations of the amino acid cysteine in the urine due to defective amino acid transporter in the renal tubule and intestinal epithelial cells. The amino acid transporter is responsible for transporting cysteine, ornithine, lysine, and arginine. Defective tubular reabsorption of these amino acids in the kidneys result in increased cysteine in the urine, which can precipitate and cause kidney stones. Now the 12th question is, fibrinopeptide A and fibrinopeptide B are acidic due to the presence of which amino acid in its structure? And options are A. serine and threonine, B. glutamate and aspartate, C. histidine and lysine, and D. glutamine and valine. Here the correct answer is B. glutamate and aspartate. Fibrinopeptides A and B are short amino acid sequences situated at the amino terminal of the alpha and beta chain of soluble fibrinogen. Glutamate and aspartate are acidic amino acid present in them which turn them acidic. Now question number 13 is, hydroxyindole acetic acid in urine present in, and options are A. alkaptonuria, B. albinism, C. carcinoid, and D. phenylketonuria. Here the correct answer is C. carcinoid. Carcinoid syndrome develops in some people with carcinoid tumor and is characterized by cutaneous flushing, abdominal cramps, and diarrhea. Carcinoid tumor occur throughout the gastrointestinal tract, most commonly in the appendix, ileum, and rectum in decreasing order of frequency. Diagnosis is clinical and by demonstrating increased urinary hydroxyindole acetic acid. That's it for biochemistry. Do subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.